Hello there, this is my 1960 fully restored Chevrolet Bel Air. Looking ever so pretty. But today's video is sort of information for those that have families like I do. My son's Power Wheels trucks stopped working. They're computer controlled. And the computer controls reverse and forward. And it just stopped completely. And same with his other one. It had switches here for pedal and reverse, and all that stopped because the computer stopped. The way it used to work is it had two 6-volt batteries, and it equaled obviously 12 volt. So, and it never was right. It always was slow, and it didn't hold a charge very long. So when it quit, I said to my wife, I said, I'm going to not only fix my son's trucks, I'm going to improve them and redesign them. And then she said, well, you fix Cadillacs and cars, why can't you? You should be able to fix that. I said, yeah, that's what I said, so I'm going to do that. And so what I did, I spent the day and I had a lot of wiring, automotive grade wiring, and I tore it all apart, and here's what I got. There's two drive wheels in the back, 1 and 2. So I wired them in sequence so they have equal power coming at the same time. And I ordered online a three-way switch. Tore out the original one, so the power to the pedal is always hot at all times, and it only has juice when to the wheels when he hits it. So that also acts as a brake. So when he hits the pedal, it moves. Foot off the pedal, it stops. And he has endless power now. He can pop a wheelie. He can go in the schoolyard, the fields, anywhere. It's like an off-road truck now, for real. And it's so cool. And I'm so happy that he loves it, and that I was able to fix it. And I have to, buy a new one, because now this will last until he outgrows it. And I did the same thing to the Escalade over there. It has the same design. Amazon cheap three-way pedal switch. You can Google them and find them in no time. And a lawn tractor 12-volt battery. And these things are so cool. And my son is so happy. He's actually the envy of all the kids on the street. So it's been new and improved, redesigned. So just something you do when you're handy, I guess. You like to think how things are built and repair, but also improve. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you down the road.